Goodbye, plastic faucet. Hello, Moen. We're finally upgrading the bathroom fixture with the same model, same style of fixture that's in the kitchen. The Moen. Lifetime warranty, 80 bucks. These are really simple to accomplish. This is probably even a no tools project if you're running PEX anyway, like I am. So this is the PEX fitting. Cut your water supply off first, disconnect the hot and cold lines, and then you're going to unscrew these plastic nuts, if you will, are on the bottom of that bottom of your fixture. That's what holds it down to the counter. So you unscrew these both and you can take this and throw it in the trash can. The only difference in this fixture and the one that I'm going to put in is this one has the little drain thing in the middle where you can, you know, open and close your drain. This sink isn't set up for that, so I don't have the center hole, and I'm just going to eliminate that that part of the faucet and install it like it is. So let me get this box opened up and we'll see what we got. Well, here's everything that comes in the box. You've got your two new nuts, the fixture, and everything you would need for the drain. So this is dead simple. All you got to do is drop your new fixture. You've got the gasket in place there. It says which end is front and back. Drop your new fixture in there. Install these two nuts underneath, hand tight, both of them. Make sure the faucet's all evened up and everything. And then install your two PEX fittings, hot and cold. Turn your water back on. Test for leaks. Everything should be good. It's that simple. Go get you one. Thanks for watching.